This is my first event, and I absolutely thought it was great. I didn't know what to expect. I've heard others say it was very valuable, but for me, it went beyond my expectations. The networking, the applicable lectures that I went to, just looking at the simulation programming, it was, for me, I can bring back a lot of information.
The Sun Conference has been a great opportunity for me to really understand how the mannequin that we purchased, the Anne, we call her Susan, of course, from the lady in the foundation, Kettering Foundation, that helped us purchase her. But it's absolutely what the professional development department needs to understand how we can really use this to enhance our nurses' education, and ultimately it's all about increasing our patients' outcomes.
Certain aspect of networking, meeting other people, and kind of finding out that they're doing the same thing you are, and you're really all in the same boat. I found it a great place to share ideas, learn some tricks from other people, learn from other people's mistakes, and kind of share that information. A lot of it is formal lecture, which is nice, but I think a lot of what we've gotten out of it really comes during the lunch sessions and talking to people after the lectures as well.
And I'm a spring nurse educator, which is a nurse educator who works with new graduate nurses from the time they're hired through their first year at the Johns Hopkins Hospital. And this was wonderful because we do mock codes at 3 and 6 months with our spring nurses, and it really has helped me, I think, to refine how I'm going to teach and use the Sim Center, and really to help with the debriefing. That's what I really found the most informative.
Value of a simulation user network meeting or SUN meeting is tremendous. You know, I went through a lot of trials and tribulations when I was running my own program. Now that I work with the University of Miami, it's a much more robust program. I had the opportunity to learn from a lot of, as it were, experts in the field. But that doesn't happen for everyone. So having a venue like this, an opportunity where people can come together from, similar healthcare education disciplines, or even looking at some of our partner or allied healthcare disciplines, it allows you to accelerate your understanding and knowledge of how to use the devices. It accelerates your ability to feel comfortable teaching with it or working with other faculty and students. Tremendous opportunity for people to really learn and grow. There's no reason for each of us to keep trying to reinvent the wheel.
Events are great for networking and bringing people together that are doing the same thing, having the same issues, having the same problems that you can discuss with them, and plus learn from the experts that are out in the field that are saying, for instance, when Steve spoke this morning, he talked about where they started and all the pitfalls that he went through as they built their simulation center. And I think that's a great thing for people to learn that. So bringing that together is really nice. And being that this is actually my 4th SUN that I've attended, including the very first one in Philadelphia, I'll probably come to many more.
I think it serves to allow it to bring up more reality into the simulation. If you look at the simulator, it always looks healthy. It looked like it just came off the beach. So if we can make the simulator look ill, or we can make the simulator look like it's been in a motor vehicle accident, that just adds to the realism of the scenario, and it helps to have the participants get more involved in the simulation cases.
Okay, that you get together with people who are committed to something to make things better, and you share ideas, you share your good, bads, and your uglies, and you try to figure out ways to make it better. And this is a great opportunity for everybody to get together and support each other.
The last couple of days has been phenomenal. Prior to coming down here, I really thought it was going to be a big sales pitch. And in reviewing what was on the agenda, I was wondering how much training was actually going to be incorporated versus sales. And quickly, on day one, it was all those thoughts that I had about it being a sales conference quickly went away, and it turned into one of the best educational experiences that I've attended. I think it'll really help me with the simulation process.